You eating ice cream?
Yeah. Junior, I'm eating ice cream. Take a picture.
I am taking a picture. Finish your ice cream, Yeshua. It's going to spill. Can I have some?
No.
Can I have a little lick?
No.
Little bit. Please. Fine. Give me a little bit. I don't want to leave you. Fine. It's going to spill, Yeshua. Eat your ice cream. Finish it, Yeshua. Oh. I told you to finish it now. It's dirty. Put it in the garbage. Go put it in the garbage. Yeshua, it's dirty. Don't eat it. Put it in the garbage. I see you. Oh, man. Come on, Yeshua. Come here. Come here. All done. Oh, look at the ice cream. It's dirty on the floor still. Look at the floor. The ice cream's on the floor. You have to clean it. Say hi to everybody. Tell them you're going to clean it later. Yes, you're going to clean the floor?
Yeah.
When are you going to do it?